Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. 6 days in, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I'm here with a really quick gift idea. It's not even inspiration because it's just so easy and quick. But I did have these in my stash. I am not sure actually where I got them from. This is the packaging. It says it glows. I'm not sure what exactly glows. But how cute are they? And I just filled them up with some sugar, the praline pecans from Costco's. I scooped them up in there with my handy dandy scooper. So you could also just add embellishments. I was gonna put buttons in it. It would take a lot of buttons, but what else? You could put beads in here. I just stuffed them all with the pecans, and then I thought, oh, I should have put like craft supplies in them. But oh well. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this Halloween series. Let me know what's your favorite project so far. I'm going to do random giveaways coming up soon. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. If you're new, again, welcome. I love new subscribers. I am trying to grow my channel, and so if you know of any crafty friends that would be interested in this channel, please like and share the video. If you're returning, welcome back. I always appreciate your love and support. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.